that night. So I'm saying no. Because Joe was asking us to fill it in.
But it depends on the time. If it can go to the tournament if it's in the morning.
It says 8 a.m. to 9 a.m.
Let's find a compartment.
There's
Did you
a time.
snack?
Did you exit? Did you know?
It doesn't matter.
Come on, you can't conjure up some pumpkin pasties.
So why can't you put me on the roster?
Food is the
Say
first of the 5 textbook
It's just to pay for it.
to Gump's law of elemental
it depends on
configuration.
the time. Do you know?
Do you know?
Do you know?
We'll figure it out.
I'm not
worry.
So yes or no?
We'll figure it out.
I'm okay. Okay. That was brilliant.
Dementors on the Hogwarts Express? Foul, miserable creatures. Something from the trolley, dear. I'd say you'd earned it.
Any chocolate frogs?
Oh, dear. Let's get back to your seats now. I'll try and round up these little runaways. Dementors on the trolley.
Now approaching Hogsmeade Station.
Right now I haven't slept till that's why I slept till
Oh, you definitely fell asleep.
I swear to God. I was up all night watching TV. I drank sleep.